Hey everyone, this is Gil, CEO of the Asset Center, the American Survival School Emergency Training Center here in Idaho. Got a special announcement. We've just had an earthquake, 6.6 in the Philippines. Stay tuned for more information. Okay, folks, this is the map of the Philippines. Right down here is where the earthquake was at. Let's zoom in on that. So here we go. We got Davao City there. And so right there's the epicenter. Right now, I have not been able to find out any more information about damage and injuries. But, 6.6 is a substantial earthquake. There are several other cities surrounding this area, so there could be some loss of life down there. If you have any information, please post it down below in the comment section, and so other people can find out what's going on as well. Alrighty, that's it for now. As always, stay safe and stay prepared. This is Gil with the Asset Center, out.